MPs and others send strong signal that we want Bawumia. Let's move on. And this one says, in the informer, prioritize nation's interests. Otumfo edges all. Current economic challenges. Prioritize. Amakwatasu Bonchain. Down memory lane. First guy rubs shoulders with world-class companies. Atamil's Institute soars higher. Okay, that's the informer. The publisher say, let's unite. Bawumia to Ashanti MPP. And up there is MPA boss. Elected Africa Refiners President. Okay, Yati. Government Lords Media for Ghana Month Program. Excellent. Ghana Month. Promotion of justice will guarantee liberties. Obiamwa. Expedite works on projects. That is local government minister. Okay, Yankuyanim. Now, share the next paper. Custodian. Government invest 889 million in local development. Obiamwa. Okay. The Obiamwa now, Monday. Dampo picture better. And the custodian money will be Amuhana. All right, let's move on. Publisher, I did not kill MP plus 20 Chinese. And as drugs came to court again. Okay. NDC exposes the true state of the nation. We are told 2 to 3. The national chairman general Sedun Ketia will be speaking to the nation, telling us the true nature and the true state of Ghana. Okay, we wait to see. Bawumia fever lights up Akweside, the Meridian. Dr. Abu Hamid. Let's move on. And we have the finder, Nanado Odes probe. What is the probe now? We Professor from Paul Boatye actually said on the between Komochina on the probe allegation that Jubilee House involved in galamsey. It's a big indictment. Papa. He's the former lands and forestry minister. Nanado yi no tu ho ono akra no man for bono so bo say o chichense asema ne ma edi gala eno ho asem no beto ya be call by na ne penso ena excavators yira ye ne ho nkro ne ba enti na akoye say so ono ba bontin be ka asem ya na no den. The Chronicle has put it across. Can I have the Chronicle? Say police probe from Paul Boatye's allegation missing excavators. And only Adea Akye Daily Graphic there, but Chronicle there. Or say another orders probe, police to probe. You're finding in a NC animal. You're for Yata Edimwa Kotre, Mobakaya and Chebiana. Otumfo anniversary bako, Omo died, Jumedie Kesebia de say, or Pimso said to our baby, or my gold coin. A hon say no, and Chebia bebe jasso. Openi di mo akotene papa bebe dwaso a chese ya ka say obi o gold coin a oton chese utumi tobi at a certain price na ade a eye japade kase openi di mo akotene Tom yeni nkomo what's a responsible gold mining dey na no a link with Jumedi Amudi
Omanhene Yaw Mame fa akonya we so nchia eye wahwefo no watiefo nyina said ye wo kano eye 2021 12 December ena ye ne governor central bank governor ene the vice president ene yewura otumfo opemso na ankasa ye ade no de hye na nuonyam ena Bank of Ghana ema ye tumi krata say otumfo's 16 to 17 year row o play what dagbon peace process no eno na yemfa nhye yewura enmunyam okay enti from the 20th anniversary ho ba ni nyina no ya ade a na ye de nhyehyɛ nyina ye dey agu akwam ena eye 12 December 2021 ene ye pa adwumade ne ho entoma o hwe ni patitru a ewura krom ha na nye adwumade ketwa enti ye ne Access Bank na ye the official banking partner and insurance at that go coin also a coronation insurance a Access Bank for na insurance and a glyco
okay
next year the nearby day egu akwam na otumfo commemorative gold coin no a pure gold 24 karat in mining no ye fe no 99.9%
okay
na say pure gold na eno no said the galamsey won se mo koso Ghana no so one hwe na the gold coin ko market say pe obroni bi ona obi oti be ka say your gold coin wasn't responsibly sourced
okay
because galamsey won sem na eden e koso Ghana krom anso anaso omemu an galamsey no omo de mercury ɛne saa nneɛma na ɛyɛ den ɛkyekye ne nyinaa no yɛ ade a ɛsɛ yɛn nsuo ɛsɛ yɛn nsase nansa wohwɛ front page daily graphic a cocoa board ɛyɛ seedlings project bi galamsey ɛsɛ project na it's worth 4.8 billion a meet material evidence about graphic front page.
That's right.
Oti ase cocoa board ɛyɛ campaign bebree sɛ illegal mining ɛsɛ cocoa farms nti wan hwɛ a wɔkyena bi yɛde yɛ cocoa kura international market a yɛbɛtumi ayɛ dɛn a blacklist yɛn saa nneɛma no nyinaa na as otumfoɔ commemorative gold coin as a corporate social responsibility no yɛtu yɛ ho asi hɔ sɛ yɛ promote responsible mining yɛ promote zero mercury na ɛsɛ gold biara a ɛfiri asase mbɛ pie no wonya mercury baako kora ɛdɛ to wohwɛ nansan graphic akyi a President State of the Nation address no omba be distribute 120,000 gold catcher machines. Now say you are using a right resources, right approach,
responsible,
right machines. Ubenya gold no nenso on sense as.
There's a commemorative coin in that TV no
because te gold. Yana nanu ye gold mining. Ni yese yenso said na yese yenso. Ni yese yensa said yese yensa. Enemoma yese ni biaba na ye mum ye use technology no. Tete na yese ye bejimi bre no. Omo kwampo ye mining anse yenso anse ensase.
Ye ni yese.
Ye na yese 21st century na ye yese ye ni munyansa ye wo technology no. Ye ni abie no. Ye ni yese ensase. Hwe COP27 Egypt. Hwe climate change. Se wiase nyina tuom ho asi wo ye den. Bon sase ni nsuwa ho yɛ den ban enti no mercury no any cyanide no threat ma me no umie no yapom de ne se wo bie wu nsuo kura si so a Ghana water nsuo ne ba kokɔ kakra ansa abefufuo ti saa ne mani nyina be kakra kwa hwa Ghana water diska bebre ne be den treat ye nsuo enti saa ne mani nyina no galamsey ne yɛka ho asɛm no kyese obi asɛde ɛyɛ ahemfo asɛdeɛ ɛyɛ churches asɛdeɛ ɛyɛ ankrankra bi asɛdeɛ sɛ wɔ sɛ yɛdɛn you promote responsible mining.
That's right.
Enti no deɛ yɛwura aka ne sɛ wohwɛ last year ɔyɛ regional house of chiefs regional minister kɔ hɔ no ɔse this year yɛ action year ɔhene kora ɔbɛkyew sɛ galamsey kɔ so area no ɔbɛyɛ dɛn ɔbɛtu because hɔ no wo na ɔde asase no ayɛ dɛn ahyɛ wo nsa
asɛm si a wɔbɛbɔ no amanneɛ
ɔse sɛdeɛ ntam kɛseɛ ba a ɔbɛbɔ no amanneɛ no saa nso na ɔde saa asase no ayɛ dɛn ahyɛ wo nsa enti no sɛ ɔte sɛ galamsey ɛkɔ so wɔ baabi no ɔfrɛ ɔmanhene wo na ɔde asase wo yɛahyɛ wo nsa aha na ayɛ ɔhene galamsey ne kɔ so wonim ho bi sɛ woantima nkyerɛ ne mu sɛ bia wonim ho bi na naasoma si na ɛyɛ a ɔso bɛyɛ dɛn ɔbɛtu otu ahemfo baako bienu a ɛde ho bɛyɛ dɛn ɛbɛhyɛ ahemfo no ayɛ dɛn aka num na ɔmo yɛ dɛn agya galamsey this year wotumfo di 24 years ɛwɔ golden stool so
Ghana nyankwa
24 years old. Next year, 26 April 2024, no anya 25 years silver jubilee. You bet me at Trama Galamsey akoso asay ensase. You bet me at Trama Galamsey asay yensuwa. Na se me a me matra apeja fiem.
Sompa 93.1.
Ah, me na nane asante hene. Na se me na wotiri pose ya. Me ene wo se me yedai. Me fa sa asem no na me di si abonten. Because mpanimfo so wachi wodoma na yedai. Yakubi bua wo. Enti no, we say a campaign a otumfo commemorative gold coin ya fa to ye ho so a ye bɔ ho dawuro sɛ efi na ɛkɔ no galamsey ne ye kyewa enye de ne ho ye fi no a ɔne kɔm de ne wɔkɔpɛ biribi adi no
sɛ ɔmo na
enye ɔno no ye galamsey yes ɔkɔ a ɔno na police fo ɔkɔkye no ɔkɔ na soja fo ɔkɔkye no ɔno kɔm no wɔkɔpɛ biribi adi financier na ɔno de ye kɔkye no galamsey side no o ska ɔne to excavator
93.1.
o ska
asɛm ne nyina na
ye ne to excavator financier na wo share no woni ye beche wo otumfo commemorative gold coin ye panel lawyers a ye chewa ye che omo ye fi o site na wan na concession ye ndia be ko minerals commission wo concession ye odia no ye ma police force aye den a chewo sa police force kra chewo no ye kataso mu aso a ye the report ma international community diplomacy wo krom ha ye the report nya be mo ye the report ma world gold council yeah, the report by my Organization for Economic Cooperation. The whole world, we compliance or mining sector. We compliance or mining sector. It we a chewa. Yeah, the woman Safon. Police for cry Katasumu Maswa, yeah, the whole international community. No, sir, this a crown who took me and find a day. Yeah,
I said they will blacklist you.
Visa kura yem fa man. Yen do udin beko. Visa kura yem fa man. Enti no enye se obi ba be fro ye kwachi obi ama ohin bi akopa chawo and ye kwachi obi ama minister bi akopa chawo and ye kwachi obi ama MP bi akopa chawo. Me say yeah the report kwa international community. Because yen timi trauma yen so nsai. Yen timi trauma yen sa se nsai. Yen nanan mo japade na ye bo ho ban wu. Yen nanan mo japade na ye bo ho ban. Enti no ye wura aka na de ye nyina na ho se ye ta ye wura chi. Enti ye sre asanteman. Yes, Santiman said ye nyina ye da sorry ye bompa ye masikadwa ye sre nkwatenti ma otumfo no otumfo tirimpo bia ye tirimpo otumfo entokwa bia wo ko against legal mine bia so ye entokwa ade bia wo se ye boa no ma ne tirimpo etimi ye den epam no eno ne wo se ye den ye
okay
eti Omanhene galamsey a threat to our commemorative gold coin.
Yes, true.
Galamsey a threat to our health. Say and sassy, say yensu into jadi a bed. Yeah, you better say. Kasa no so adoso. Action no. And now me walk Sompa TV no. Would you feel chenako no? Ube hu near my bed. Ye be.
Now, you share asema be told you cry Nanado immediately what take that decision na. It tells you say onyae dwumadi esi na nso okun you know because she baby out here na ye de be fro say wase ye hono Jubilee House ho papa no so na ti wo one egu na nimu asekra to the international community and this organizations are worker it's a move now mo take no but Tom ya na nipa bebre no masha ase say fe be kaka na entimo nka bi we
Omanhene insida insida mama nka ase mencho na obi aso function team I can tell you say diplomat e okroma embassies omo different department o eniema ekoso galamsey mu nyina omunim te say ene president order probe ye wo obi o embassy wonu ma o ye ho report o enti illegal money ekoso okrom ha bi omunim de ekoso omo share chire
now okay say which of the ambassadors na be kasa or pimso Jumedi ase or say
American ambassador to Ghana
yen hwe na yen to galamsey ase
American ambassador to Ghana yedini ba kra na ondi 2-3 months
but on the commemorative day no asem obeka no
and na make catch say new American ambassador to Ghana buy no your health issues or your education issues or busa ho say na illegal money ho asem no obeka e ye wiase nyina adadwen o
3.1
na den na president ko for be former president you choose as climate change ambassador we are say ko UN was what ko UN conference da no musika UN for pumping or climate change mu a bedwuru so when your opportunity your opportunity ni president ko for ko UN climate change conference you appointed president ko for as climate change ambassador I special envoy mi ko bi nti minim me World Go Council nom di nsa wo so minim information mo share ma me many organization for economic cooperation and development and local Paris headquarters work
right.
Almost about 34 countries the whole world and are signing up omo in charge of compliance omo chere me niema omo di gu akwan mu e wa Africa ha eni asantema mu ni Ghana ha omo di be boa ya ma ya dia fight galamsey a hu bedwuru. It is not about the abane ye. International community na nkasa so wo mu
galamsey going in Ghana is a threat to the global
na on say asini unsuo say ya okoko besia on tell o ma ensuo ni asase ni say no say bo besia common sense
asa bo besia ko tonsu
common sense no fi say bro ni wajimi onu ni nko for taxes no otete onu ni nko for taxes no otete na say say economy agency wonya ye mefren yeko enti no bro ni no otikro nwa na galamsey ko so no one trase mu ontufo na unsuo nsai onsa asensai na sa baji sika koma Ghana water any ministry of
lands
any water resources say ongongo ya land reclamation no san fan koma Ghana water ne fan treaty enso common sense ewi asenye school awako eye fie nyansa ade ame na o kan nyina no enye school awako nye o masters enye obrofo awaka eye fie nyansa edu ba bia o se Ghana mpanimfo ma no susumu na so mo ma ye ndwene muma yendwin ni yendwin enchirima ho muma yendwin Ghana mpanimfo asofo Ghana mpanimfo me maame no me papa no nkola ne mpanimfo mo ma ye ndwen fie nyansa ene ya bebuo a me de adesrade ma panimu biara ene obi biara Ghana ni biara se mo ye nyina ye nkan homom na ye fight galamsey
yɛnhwɛ commemorative coin no ɛho hyehyɛ akoduru sɛ
commemorative coin no se de ye ne se ye de coin no ebeba market enyo obia bi keke ene ye ma na ye de atobie
okay
yade ye de hye opemso anuonyam Omanhene ma men fa akonya we so nkasa asem we tama ya na asem bae President Kufuor time 202 wote committee no a de ewura to ano no President Kufuor ye na afam de bia o ba wantimi ansolve asem no koi the later times be ye na afam de wantimi ansolve ye ewura dwoma ama be ye wantimi ansolve ye ewura Kufuor do mreso ena yetimi solve ya yenya new yana Otumfuor asantehene or the 17 years nipa baako a o lead committee no or the 17 years and the solve yes o sad onu ani sika ye lanchi go kwen okan because na eye 2 gates no omo ni nhia omo so mpese aba omo mpa aban bi ahwe enti no wo ya abam na from omo fi se mo take size nti ne ye asem ne ma Otumfuor no Otumfuor na President Kufuor o catch President Kufuor say onka say obegi ni sika ene o de solve asem dan Otumfuor de ono a ni sika e botom sika
omo ko ba beda hotel for 6
ebi kra yare a o metwema konkran na bi yare o mu sikumase e me yehwe o man so makọ busa national security minister bufra ofra yewura kanda pa busa no ono bitumi amount national security report Otumfuor ankasa sika na hwe sika Ghana ban twa ya ne ye kọ dabonsoro ho ntokwa ne sia tiewura Otumfuor ba na okra no e wo se Ghana kura sika Ghana sika esen kemiti ye den etoso enye commemorative gold coin no eno so ye nhyehyɛ a te se bia sika we ya ye die te se fa ne se we 100 cedis 50 cedis no we say bi yes that me train that back say ye commemorative gold coin Bank of Ghana ama yitumi kata me train that back ko a ye de yewura ti ebetu sika Ghana ye di ankasa so we dey commemorative yes
ko hwe ne
yewura ye no me see wi aso obi anya bi da Ghana ha obi anya bi da obiara anya bi da enti yewura wo say yesem kwatenten ye den e de ma no so oni wa metima ka atwo say Otumfuor ni wona asantema ni wa Ghana ni ho because can go Otumfuor ni wona asantema ni wa enka oho kra na taking 17 years no
can imagine
ke koya amanyofo a koya amanyosem a kaba now kentokwa egusu ho esim vice president ye launch commemorative gold coin otina numa asem o se no onyi ni se sentokwa ne be den e be twa da on record let me the video na den amam on record.
So it's not just any commemorative coin.
Debi. Me say if you neko Minerals Commission kura issue mining license or lease. Krampo. Ebia Minerals Commission dey nitim pa dey ama Omanhene. The Omanhene gwagwa ye o galamsey ayi asase no so no Minerals Commission no. Ebia resources ko muntimi monitor ni nyina.
Yeah.
O tell America na say. E wo say yetimi training ahemfo. Ni training youth no. Na wo so bi ye galamsey a wakobo hemfo amane no aye dey
wetimi
ya no Otumfuor ka asem bi enyansasem o se ohene no so se galamsey fo no ekuratu amenko ho o se de ntam kese ba bebo na mane se bia meni bia memfa ne se kontase ani bia kokofu manhene etwemanso o asase bi ye hia bi so no o ba yebo na mane no onko ho mu yemfatu onya dem o bebo no Otumfuor amane no one can't regional minister being the head of security in Ashanti region no one police for any soldier for nya den enko ho Otumfuor kasa enyansa Otumfuor tem bi obekasa bia no na edinchi no ahye wo yede because tino odinya King Solomon no Otumfuor be dia de ne emfa ni King Solomon eni nyansa odi esolve asem said dia o hwe said dia santema kura tenase a asem ba ye ma wo bo nkuro ni omo obi abo ne nkru na de ye bebo ne fokra no o san dase because when you say attention ne e dey
okay so to say I know a beba bonten but I am happy the way a man am handle Adea because say me kai obekai black gold and a black diamond East Africa edrume bi ana because of rebel attacks ne edinti na omo diamond ne omo gold kra no amanone na amanfo reject omo pese omo beto they even blacklisted it. That is why it was called black diamond. Now offer free East Africa Congo num honom say wo kwama no ne a it was banned in Europe say yen to diamond ema ne value ba from cry and you with this no we share this commemorative how in come with their fetch na emu dro se ne sitie na otumfo ti be that diamond e be that gold coin so na be kwa bonten na the value of them e kire se yamye ne anko galamsey hu ne yanko na ye gold e kwa ma no ne animu a e be drum bi no gold na Ghana cry ye de kwa bonten kwa be problem
Omanhene men kan cho meet me a catch you say from a neck be about 5-10 years 20 years say yentimi am put measures in place one where you gold ni ye koko ye be blacklist here
yeah
on record na make catch
yeah
because minimum komo your international community say edi me say bear 5 on record bear 5-10 years 15-20 years see em put proper measures in place one where you gold ni ye koko ye be blacklist here say galamsey e koso ni ade enunti na president obi oye mranim ni no ye rafrempom boaten ba bonten be ka sansem na no oye oswafo ni ntino president akasa police for nya den enhwehwem no because it's a serious issue. Yes, I'm telling you. Serious issue. So the galamsey ko fra the seat of government. A very serious issue. Very serious issue. Me say international market grano. Is a serious issue. I'm telling you.
Yeah, bedu maybe no.
Yes.
Ghana gold cry e koton.
Me na make catch you.
O make say.
It is serious issue.
You see Jubilee House cry Bawumia irresponsible gold mining na say the natural reserves near there globally COP Egypt omugosia na say the can wasem there. There's a president now who cry we entourage me buy no. What's actually?
Now gold now what they call international market. The mercury we want beje.
Bianto.
It wasn't responsibly sourced one beje. A true galamsey one beje. Illegal mining one beje. Aye common sense o. There is an international organization in charge of compliance. OECD and World Gold Council. Me na make catch you. Africa no, the near maybe cheche.
And the London institution
because of
Sokrano.
And LBM no.
Almost so gold no krano aso.
South London Bullion Market Association. Unibia, you can't trade your gold on international market.
So was that the reason why Ghana oil for gold for oil no krano? Just a farm middleman no.
Yes, because LBMA certification can take you 3 to 5 years. And untina UK government official be who Minister for Lands catch say person any mu diga. You see to gold but mu ni LBMA. Just go online and Google LBMA. Who need South London Bullion Market Association certification Ghana Gold Coast Refinery or no pen or RJC. And we responsible jealous council certification and require 2% of LBMA. Fancy LBMA 100%. RJC 2%. And on the crown here, just to show say your gold is responsibly sourced, refined. They say your gold coin responsibly sourced, refined and minted. LBMA no there, I can see a cartel. A cartel. I don't know.
Like OPEC, more money I don't know.
Massa, untimi rem. Africa ye mobo. Me na make catch. So oni mrofo ni di nkomo a Africa ye mobo. Enti busa ye mpani fo no say school bebe ba yakọ. Eni bia ye nya. Ye ni mrofo na atena classroom. Enti die na me ye kachi. Eye fie nyansa na ase den. Because me started go once go coin we. Ye started no 2017 oh.
Yeah.
And ye di won komo na ye de letter call Bank of Ghana. And o mon so a guide yen ya. Enu nti na ye lunch no governor na be lunch ye no. Because so we nim go ho sense mu kroma. Amount for the scam amount for ni ade ade. Ti na governor na be lunch yen. Ye wie ye no, ye de go coin It's much evidence. You go when I come president, vice president, chief justice, attorney general,
Pana 3.1.
IGP, chief of defense staff, first lady,
Definitely speaker.
security and exchange commission. Yeah, otumfo. It will win yeah, they are big personalities in this country. I'm will say ye go kwen no legit. Inti ye go kwen no ye nton fa mo bia. Enye sika ne mfa so bia na ye be den ye bepe. Ye di peja ye wura otumfo se tutu ye di peja ne din. Ye di kye wiase amansan nya de waya ma asantema ne Ghana man ene wiase nyina. It otumfo commemorative go kwen no.
Sompa 3.1.
Amanfo bi so ye mfa so bum bi Debbie. Entity ye di atete wa peja fiem no. Ya said ye say be me na ye no e bro adwene nti ase so enu nti ne di peja ye wradin.
All right. Your friend no Tom na o friend no Richard best of for reata obejoso. Tom and there am me. Let me say this to be frank. Maybe I would campaign nam no. Say mobile so I can promise you some about Chidom because I have spoken. We have the journalists against galamsey. I'm part of it. Ayakasa bebre, and it do maybe now bembo yaba. But today you've rekindled my spirit on this. Na minim say minu anum bebre so ebesom. And then I would ja Ghana mai.
My main country say campaign aye nyina no. A media, traditional media and digital marketing.
Okay.
He say yeah me two radio see. Say me that TV so. A Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Ni nyina ba campaign den also. Enye Ghana o. Like a global campaign here. But say no there. Asanteman sa asini nsuo ne ebo ho ban. Say sia. Asanteman ensa asini nsuo. Nsuo tumfo timi ye ni ya. Na afi ya ma ada ahemfo na ye den asua afio mo sa na ye
okay
because ye sika kakra na ye de ye den ye de ye sa de no ye nyege tax ma ye oti ase ye wurati mu po any ni go kwen commemorative go kwen no ye initiative
that's right
corporate social responsibility
Sompa 3.1.
oti ase enti de be ye wa santema mu no e na ada ahemfo no be den e be sua. It's media and you be choose to say host to say wo ebi ambassadors. Every day biano oba radio so a o certain code to be abeden. Oba ye kran say what she odwuma dey aden ase.
That's lovely.
Ye be ye okumase. If you kumase e be concran sa because ye sha ase ye fi baby and akwa ko wie baby. It's over the ye sha ase wa santimem.
Okay.
Unim say illegal mining e kwa na a year threat man Anglo Gold or Mudekoye.
Yeah.
You run a sacrifice any president of form by.
No crap.
Few years ago, we hear a gold pouring. Unim how a galamsey a year threat man large scale companies are. We are responsible mining. Obidini billions of dollars are encroachment. A bill of galamsey for to be planning coup large scale workers maybe.
Yeah. Yeah, who be brave.
It's a funny gunning. It's be so my 7 year cano. Say yan ya. But the American say what be illegal mining no. Why we financier no? You better report the embassy. Who to kwan kra. O mon blacklist o mon fa visa kra nya den. E ma wo. Na make a show.
All right. Richard of Oyata, medasi na yegusua ebedi di nkomo. Na information bia mo pese ye de tudwa bia so de man ya. Ye beto aso.
That's papa.
Meda no ase. Piao. All right. Abrante no afidwa odi omanim no mama na adwuma se won koye no eno a no ka Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho o ma ba manhia o ma be sei mu ho yo honorable machi makwaba I say
we introduction in embassy
so send mba akwesi there now the vice president the buy
of course
MPs maku 87
absolutely you're in the buy
and na that bia mo ba I don't know where they move shut down organize someone in there but
no organization bia sir Mama Chow
Majoso. Now your person as well. Your employers.
Yes, my employers. If you just collaborate of, if you're the train way, you can take sword for an astroturf.
Oh
yes, finally.
You're going to have an astroturf for
finally,
your people.
Finally. After 1 year, finally.
Oh, that's lovely.
You know, if you're the train winner, you can take sword. Na me da na. Grow hiniase. Ono my asase. Gracie occasion for fair. So very, very colorful event on Friday. With the constituency executives on the police station executives. Umunya better this very, very significant program. This is the first brain off. So
that's lovely.
It's quite significant. That's what happened on Friday. Saturday, I'm going to Kakao constituency.
Normal routine.
Normal routine. If you are nearby,
Sompa 93.1.
Sikedra. So that was my weekend. I said that's a weekend. And then it was a very, very, very colorful event.
Can I have the pictures?
Very colorful
event.
Yeah. Very colorful event. Utum for sitting in states.
That is Omanhene for you.
Yes.
The silver stool.
The silver stool.
All the pictures. What am I fly? Didn't come on.
This year for you know, Besumutum for yes. So if you're sentiment, normally near Kwakasi the Yankasa.
Okay.
But normally ones will be according individually. This time round, another vice president was a special guest.
For Kwasi, he was a special guest.
Yes. Your name, Mary.
On the second lady.
Yeah, the beautiful Samira.
Regional minister.
Yes.
Majority leader.
And
Napo.
Bra. This year.
Apejahene. Any Ankobia.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And Deputy Minister of Finance. Now, when I say here, I have a picture.
Oh, look at it. Me just baby, me have to the Facebook page this year.
All right.
Me Jimmy Fita.
Kuna who kuna hini
me Jimmy Fita.
And then another ma hey Abranka say I now from fufu.
Oh yes.
Now then I from fufu.
And the occasion it was NJ to bit my black and white.
2 year white.
Maybe a white, black and white.
Esewara. Okay. What is it that is the message you're sending to delegates here? Because definitely, in as much as it was traditional culture, it was also political and a message. Because minim Kojala Chemati, minim Canada, Japan, minim Akoto, Omabe Chramens, that's Napo, nice picture. Minister of Energy. Omuyina Abba.
Yes.
None has had 87 MPs.
Yes.
Following him,
yes.
Sitting in a bus.
Yes.
What message are you sending across?
And no, I think Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia officially announced his intention to that Santamine.
Okay.
Umi na non idea, but it was clear. Said okay, it was very, very clear. So
Nana Kwani
Bia, I have intention say me person me lead the MPP. Na obi bia MP bia odi Bawumia chi ba bia all the 80 DCs the constituency chairman for everybody who joined him believes in his presidency. There's no doubt about that.
Why?
Dr. Bawumia is a blessing or a blessing to the party, the MPP. And the last time by my cousin Bicho said in a very skillful manner and an intelligent way, Dr. Bawumia is occupying about 70 to 80% of all political discussions. And none of me who said, oh yeah, a newspaper review. All the major papers, everybody's talking about Dr. Bawumia. And this is a man who exhibits a lot of integrity, very, very humble person. Interesting enough, when I say, "Oh, radio so cry now, oh, didn't come out." To me, send no text message.
Wow, the vice president.
Yes.
But to me, send no message.
Message personally. Say, "Oh, I watched you on Good Morning Ghana,
and it was good.
Well. You did very well today." Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That is how.
That is the level of
humility he comes to.
Yeah, he comes with. And then Oshia Bia Obodin. He shakes your hands, he mentions your name. Obodi straight. Share me. Hey, Honorable Collins, I want to say, is everything okay? Thank you. I mean, this is a man who's very, very down to earth. and he has exhibited strong leadership.
I saw a fear questioning him, Kujo.
Yes.
Saying, sir, one of the smartest move yeah, experience it to deal with the dollar. Gold for oil policy, no?
Absolutely.
And I don't know, no, also crazy. I'm say minority or many so brew because now, no, you can attest there. The gold for oil, no, is raking in because petrol is coming down.
Of course.
But you look at generally, people have fear, say, the economy and the state we find ourselves. He being the head of economic management team, no. What is he going to tell Ghanaians?
Interestingly, say, when there's anything bad, Dr. Bawumia. When there's anything good, bad, I say Dr. Bawumia. Bawumia. Now good, bad, I say Abaya.
And Koye dia.
Oh, Dr.
Bawumia.
The Koye dia.
But never start to say, yeah, almost say Abaya. Yeah, in a free.
Let's just be consistent. Dr. Bawumia on call baby uncle can say, and I will shy away from the economic problems. On Kanda. That is leadership. Or you're your leader, you should be able to accept fault and accept success. Uncle Jina baby can say inflation here do 50 no. He has never said he's not the head of the economic management team. He has never said so. And you know, let's be consistent. CFO say inflation was 50. No, Dr. Bawumia. And the treasury bill are back from 35 to 19. It has to be Bawumia.
Treasury bill has come down
19%
from 35.
Yes. So now for 23, about 12, about 13, a bit on the 13, 19. Then it has to be Dr. Bawumia. See, you're consistent, Sadia, then I don't have any problem.
And the dollar is stabilized.
Then Sadia, then will be any problem. But when there's a problem, now because of Bawumia, but when there's a success, it's not Bawumia there. And I don't get it. So let's be consistent. If the who can we see economy now, then yes, the economy is difficult. Credit Suisse. Bank, young person, young people, banking. Everybody's dream was to work in the bank like that. And it has gone bust.
Credit Suisse.
Yes.
It's gone.
Gone. Silicon Bank. Silicon Valley, big bank. It's gone.
And they attribute it to the world order.
World order. It can make us say if there's a problem there, Dr. Bawumia, but when there's a success, you cannot have that kind of thought. You have to be consistent.
So good for oil. I will say attribute.
Say nobody. Say Dr. Bawumia part of the government. All the aspirants, they were government officials. So they should be able to accept the success. Why is it that when there's a fault, no, everybody wants to push it to one person? Why?
Like Alan Akoto, Canada, Japan.
I don't talk about any other person.
You're talking about Dr.
Doctor. Oh, say no about
Menshia.
So Dr. Bawumia some Nameka.
So say at the end of it,
anybody who spends time on their opponent and you are dead, you are gone. You don't have any message. You call competition, you call election. You focus on your strength. 3.1. Don't focus on your opponent.
That's how you always disintegrate your mama. And also so and they most more
come. Internal contest.
How can internal? External.
Oh yes, external contest. No there. Only person be do with him, so you have to tell his record for everybody to know his record. But internal, I'm just promoting Dr. Bawumia.
People also bring in the religion of Bawumia being a Muslim and Christianity and winning the election. I'll be will be from Ashanti region.
It's so weak an argument.
Why weak?
Because
people raise the concern, say Ghana, the majority are Christians.
Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, he won this election, the last election, with 500,000 votes. Oko Northern region, all the northern regions, almost 80 to 90% of the people who work are Muslims. Statistically. A Muslim, vote to send Nana Dunya or 3 northern regions, all the northern regions. Vote and Nana Dunya of northern region, no? Based on statistics, no, it stands to reason some majority of the people who voted for the MPP are Muslims.
Sompa 93.1.
Okay, in the north.
In the north. Remember?
Where they said Omuche Northern Parliament mu na nine.
Are Muslims. Because statistically, northern region, 80% of them are Muslims.
Are Muslims.
Yes.
And he had a lot of votes coming from them. Then probably but it was because of Dr.
So the
Bawumia.
argument I will make is say Dr. Bawumia is Muslim.
What I'm saying is it's because Dr. Bawumia was there.
I'm making a point.
Nationally,
I'm making a point to you. Say say Dr. Bawumia is Muslim. Means we're Christian dominated. No, then you shouldn't be interested in Muslim vote. And I want Muslim vote if MPP vote them.
oh, okay.
And it's free. If it is not relevant, and you think say you're minority into here, and you want nothing for the any and see whether Nana will be president now. It's so weak an argument.
You think so?
Totally weak. Any religion, any tribe in this animal. Say we are of enough, we are Engwani, we are San. It is absolutely so weak. Me, I'm tell you. Me, mama, and papa, me are Santi for. And so your son means I share me, and me tina ye, Mr. Father. And I wish he was my father.
Ofre.
Ofivapo.
Oh, young Rennie.
Yes. My wife, KJB. Of course, minority group. Until me go campaign, you know. How do I speak to my father, my stepfather, who I wish was my father, Ofivapo? It's so weak an argument.
So ethnic and religion shouldn't be a basis.
Absolutely so.
But don't
weak.
you think in our elections it also count?
It is say, who would need message, you know? And now this had in your message.
Oh, okay.
Absolutely.
Uni asembia
Only assembly can now
say baby you free ni wa
we meant to mommy because me we are Santini meant to my we are Santini. It's so weak an argument.
Is it the case say his promise say or we need he's coming to Asante for vice?
The make can say yeah Santini for ya worry am na for ne nkramufo.
We say asemo. Say yes Dr. Bawumia win here obey Asantini for the first time to be vice president.
The prerogative of the president and I said the candidate.
Because we are seeing Chairman Sabon's face, we are seeing Napo, we are seeing Educhum.
And I make her say, and not the a prerogative of the candidate.
And no better.
And no better. Maybe a more preference. Maybe I'm a person the befa.
Okay.
But ultimately.
Oh no, na party nuclear man.
Oh no, man say only obi. If strategically he feels say ofa obi ofi
Asante man.
Because I am not in North Southern sector. I know there is a prerogative of the candidate.
I said party in Shisha, somebody from South always goes to the North.
That has always been the tradition.
It suits say or no from the North, no, we'll pick somebody from the South. Now on the ground, you know, party for no to about no penasa.
Dr. Bawumia.
93.1.
Ashanti region.
Be a vice president in Tinebia Kanasa.
Oh, Ashanti region members of parliament, Ashanti region 44. I'm not 31 and never.
31.
Yes.
31 I'm going to buy.
31.
I'm you when him didn't buy.
31 members of parliament, Ashanti region.
Now, would Ghanaians accept him?
Dr. Bawumia.
Aye.
And then who come on here?
Oh, 2 for I say part the Munko the Ghana for better man.
And I made sure say no, to say the old in here. And the Pope be Fox FM. Never why come on no moody. Dr. Bawumia. Peace FM, Dr. Bawumia. Joy, Dr. Bawumia.
There be a
now bet my and come on Ghana how Dr. Bawumia. Whether good or bad.
So what does he say?
It tells him say he occupies your space. So you can't tell me that he's not popular. No, I'm not popular. We're discussing every day. He's very, very popular. Yes. The popularity in Tina, as we speak now, every radio station is talking about Dr. Bawumia. Who headlines? Editor screen so.
Bawumia storms.
Pachopa started.
One with 90
okay, read daily guide. Yes, next one anyway.
A paper no way.
Opa Bia.
All the papers.
Everybody's talking about Dr. Bawumia. If he's not popular, you can't want him. It's popularity the effect of Jane. Somebody who has been in our face from 2000.
Bawumia holds Menshia spellbound.
Thank you. Chronicle. Twaso. Every paper will talk about Dr.
Sompa
Bawumia.
93.1.
If he's not popular, no. He's very, very
You
popular.
think he can break the 8 for you?
Breaking the 8 there, and no as a person. But he'll be part, he's going to be an integral part of that process. I believe so. He's going to be an integral part of that
And you
process.
think he can win first round?
Oh.
Internally.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia there. As for internal election, it's a foregone conclusion.
Forgone?
Oh, foregone conclusion. And I'm trying from Facebook. See, internal is completed. General is next.
Internally,
It's
no more free
completed.
some more way.
It's completed.
Ah, Bawumia will win hands down.
It's completed.
93.1.
After that one, it's completed. It's
Why are you
completed.
so sure? I didn't.
Because, say, I'm a member of parliament. Me come from. And I know what my delegates are telling me. I know what they are telling me.
The delegates are telling you that.
Yes, they are telling me, say, honorable, only how small, say, quarter parliament.
Can't wait for you.
My, that's the beauty of it. And Dr. Bawumia, the Sompa, he's on the ground. He's on the ground. And good, obey reading this election. As for the internal election there, definitely he's going to be our next candidate.
Is it that you are being shipped in line?
Sompa 93.1.
That's one very weird and unsound argument I met it.
That's what people say, that you are being shipped
you
in
see,
line.
and that is the problem. I think the contest now air corner. That's where we have to be very careful. Sir, you are being whipped in line. You are being. It's very, very insulting to me.
So I said the money are
Very, very insulting. And omo kasa seven. There are people that my respect for them near to the roof.
So you don't expect them
I
to
don't expect
say
them
that.
to say that. To say me as a member of parliament, leading 65,000 people,
Sompa
will be called with a
93.1.
cane. Say minko say, you know, it's very insulting. And to omo the other candidates, Eba Menshiano, were they
Almost-
equipped in line? By who? It's very insulting.
So because probably it is evidence that Jubilee House is behind him.
It's not even about Jubilee House. Me need no Jubilee House. I'm not a government official.
You are an individual leading.
I am an
a group.
individual leading a group of people.
Representing
As member
a
of
group.
Parliament, yes.
So it's your judgment.
It's my
and
judgment.
the judgment of your people.
Absolutely. And so, okay, I'm sure, Dr. Yeweduchum has been whipped in line.
So the crowd want a government
Napo has been
officer.
whipped in line. Regional minister whipped in line. Enura Menshia North MP whipped in line.
Chama own to me.
Ejoso whipped in line. What kind of argument is this? What kind of argument is that? So we've been whipped in line. Say Yanko supported one particular candidate. Whether open or open. How?
Because the national election, it was believed said president candidate was John Bodu, but he lost.
And me can say Nana Danko Akufo-Addo Otoaba. And you know, so what choice? There's nothing wrong with that.
93.1.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. Everybody has a choice because you know one vote. There's nothing wrong with that. When Nana Danko Akufo-Addo can say, John Bodu, as you are saying, what happened? The delegate decided, and to know ultimately repeal behind the line.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that's the point I'm making. We have whipped ourselves into line based on our judgment.
So this is the man to lead.
Based on our judgment. This man from 2007 has been the face of our party.
Sompa
First of our party.
93.1.
2007.
From 2007, Nana Akufo-Addo filed in 2008. Since then,
2012.
2012, Nana Addo repeated him. He called court for 8 months. Every day he was on television. For 8 months.
Did I just say it indirectly you were selling him to Ghanaians?
For 8 months, he exhibited intelligence on his feet, answering questions from notable lawyers. He lost, came back, followed the same month to 2016. And another can be on the day when he won the election, before the declaration. Yeah, could chase our tape. Or say there will be time for me to thank a lot of people. But there is a man who has tied his destiny to mine, who may take any political decision. I don't leave him out. And I am here today. This victory of ours can never be written. without the mention of this man. That's Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. That is Nana Akufo-Addo speaking. That's a fact.
And see, this is the time.
It's a fact. It's no argument about say people in line now unim the oh yeah you so by force. No, it's a very weak argument. Then Metifi, very respected people are I think say everybody should focus on their candidate. Deal with your candidate, promote your candidate. Forget about what other candidates now will be home seminal. It doesn't help. It doesn't help.
So you think this man is a blessing to your party
He's more than a blessing.
and to Ghana?
Every generation be any leader up here. Every generation be a leader who pops up. There's nothing you can do about it.
People have raised issues, but in the end, there is one thing that they find it difficult to say. You cannot attach corruption to this man.
But that's a fact.
For all this while, not a word has come
That's a fact.
out of
So, oh, you're
anybody's mouth from NDC, from every corner, say, oh, you're corrupt.
That's a fact. That is integrity.
Even after today.
That's integrity.
Cobwebs.
Oh, me say in Kayako internal election, I got hit abe. Sanko obi bishan ne kabo mwa.
Obi a yepi.
Obi a yepi da. Obi a yepi da.
Because so far, many fear between TV. So
And I'm not
there's
saying
not
say,
be one.
And I'm not saying say the others
I like that.
are like that. No, that's not it.
But the open search said when it comes to your candidate,
Yes.
he's unblemished white.
What's saying the one who come? You've been in this game for almost 25 years.
Avogus, unblemished white.
So-
Anyway,
so
but,
as
but, but, but for that,
Yes.
that it is true.
And
Because
for me-
throughout 60 year in NPP, our vice president, there's not been one single thing.
Yes.
A free national just recently, even one issue came from customs. Emma, I had a discussion with the special spokesperson,
Gideon.
the person of Gideon.
Gideon.
Not just say, Obi Obey Juma or government official, be on no free cry. He was on secondment.
Yeah.
Emma, vice president, and a colleague. Sebs for say or investigating no more. I'm a match now. He's facing prosecution.
Okay, Anas video be by the former Minister of State at the Finance Ministry. Can't send me. You saw the way Dr. Bawumia reacted. Also, he doesn't joke with his integrity.
3.1.
He does not. And it's a fact.
Say, who cry now? Who Ben said them go be you a man.
It's a fact. Now, what more Ben no crime? You have to live in a certain way. You have. Otherwise, you can't be with him. You can't be with him. It means Dr. Bawumia there. For me, I think that he's a blessing to the party. I hold strong views. Say, your party no yenchen anymunyam. Na your man your candidate. I think he will be a fantastic president.
Okay.
Yeah. So far, he has been an exceptional vice president. In fact, the most visible vice president we've ever seen. Yes.
Honorable, Yaw.
Yes, yes, you don't get the state of the day.
Our state of a true state of the nation.
Yes, you don't get here.
I said, don't get here. Next 2 to 3.
I'll grow when it's too much.
And there's something I can't say.
I'll grow.
Chairman of NDC. No. What? No. But you can't say that. Say I grow and say don't get here.
Papa.
So I'm true. No, but they have not elected a flag bearer. So John Dramani Mahama or Kwabena Dufo can't come and give Ghanaians the true state.
At the time, when Vice President Bawumia, at the time, candidate Bawumia, oil lectures, no.
He was giving lectures. He never did it. No, what I'm saying is, Vice President Bawumia, then running mate, never did a true state. He did lectures.
And what was contained in the lectures then?
It was a Niama, Ghana for Shaya. True.
So he was presenting the state of the nation and proffering.
I don't agree with you. The chairman general, Johnson Seduketia speaks to Ghana. He's the chairman of the party. He's the leader of the party now. Listen, the constitution of the NDC makes him the leader of the party.
And would you believe him?
Would I believe who?
As you didn't get here.
Why is he not trustworthy?
This is the person who has gone to court on the pretext that we are no. Say, we need evidence by who correct court. Say
The message is as important as a messenger.
And you better just a Ghana 4 years you didn't get any.
Uba betie economic lecture on the economy. Not say don't get here the lecturer. Will you tune in your radio? Now that's something out of your mind. The state of the nation, in terms of the economy. The Obama lecture on the economy. They say don't get here.
You are underestimating this man.
Oh,
no underestimation. He has dented his integrity by himself.
there you, there mean and now unka DJ Bomenyo.
DJ Boakye.
Otokoro ka so mo win election. Hey DJ Bomenyo man, he say don't get win what? It's not the same person who came during the election say they no more calculation go man.
Right.
And no baba check calculation.
Why would you believe?
Bye-bye.
Thank you for the opportunity now.
Right.
Yeda Otumfo so ase. And after the program he hosted us to a very beautiful lunch. Otumfo.
All right. Now, Ose, as you don't get here, the true state of the nation, 2 p.m.
Nipa obey no problem because the true state of the nation now obey no. Wadi kan catch rest on your no kwafo. Enti asem na obey kan e no majime. And once you lie to me once, you cannot lie to me again. Ono ana catch rest say we are winning elections. Court no yebusa na dance or de famra no wanya ama enke nso ho a but he himself came back ono aba be ka kire say me election na me say ma win no enya no kore enya no kore ne say na mini adanse bia ye de court na nipa wa manya adanse ne me party chairman enti monto abenti anam nto ma me enne oba be ka kire say state of the nation president aye no enya papa no be ma true state of the nation. Do you want me to believe this man?
Is it because you are an MPP?
Not at all. I'm a discerning Ghanaian.
We are Ghanaian.
So Ghanaian, imagine mu da ho say untimi enin tro nkyere me ntro ebetimi ama nipa ewu ntro a ebetimi ama supporters at TSC street see a winning election which they did enipa nso wi and out of which o nya akokoduro sa be ka kire Ghana for say ye call court ni gina no na mini adanse bia and then opeso o ka kire me say o wa win election o be true state of the nation and me I mean how na subject na obeka ho asem no so kra no as far as we know you are not master of that subject the true state of the nation na obeka no say so there cannot be that true state of the nation where you rasi don't get here and eba bekasa so you true state of the nation be our beka after they say we ya there no beka we echi. Is it not the case that one day over catch us as someone be catch them say na true state ni na nya no kore na ye kura ye hunu hwe ni kan ya
mami ko kejeti amra sisi ana mami fo no ne branch na ko gu kejeti a ho na omo ba adoma because any man before no almost 7 say send your shop no for many days I'm can so mo twa o ma 3 days no so almost aka twa o say o mo twa view no mo mie o mo shop a mo sika guoguo ahon pepenti bebre epie ya o ma jo mo sika ho ye toso mienu enema e wo so o mo ekohwe se asey anense no so a whole week so santra fia nya de ombepene as I speak with you no anopene Omanhene kan o kire mu say one they needed to have a structural integrity, they needed risk assessment and other things. I remember matime hunu say safety is secured But almost fi said 3,000 shops now are affected omo. There's light, there is everything. Omo ko yo majuma. 579 now omo kodon ho no. 33 nashi and the indefinite yikra na money problem, but to deny all of them so omo ngura money there. And omo so je press conference omo KJTR Federation Association of Traders no so agachi omo nkrofo so omo ngya to omo nyina asa abawura mo. They say the issue is say BBC is here.
Who do you blame?
But almost feel say can was a penny for catch almost say at least okay. I specifically I'm told Vice President to cook KJTR. Honomo. Okay, and there's some mama a year honomo. But yan say Vice President to cook KJTR. Akohe the extent of you know neade na bibia akoye yina. Hey, akoye dia na ehunehune ya. Ima, is Ima there? Oh, so why is Ima?
Sompa 93.1.
Okay. Rocky check it, and you may be or phone so mammy says here. Why? Okay. Eti akoya nsem ba kumie nu bia ano aye den pa. They say our baba ramu dey say just me ma mo twan betra se. Hey, asemoni.
And obi di usika doja mi ntim de. E dey bro.
Okay, we dey transe. Transe. Now, Rocky, do you have it? I've sent it to him a long time. Then I would let me program. Now, Nina, say, yeah, a drew, a Joanna say I had made grace gift to train come up. Now, and right, just say, Ugo PM one crier. Now, and yasam kitwa, grace gifts, Aquaji award to Kesibia, and ya award the kitwa cry. Now, 11, all my pictures. Any videos come. This is why mommy analysis. Tidia mo hwe no TV so ye Ewurabe ya. Dr. Grace Bodu of Grace Gift Herba. And I just say award no. Ye so agu ne so. Na mama ma ayi akwaba. Minu abema. Ono why ohun ayi John the Baptist obo kwan to wa ma Yesu. Et say
Nyango vadum.
Award award bear.
The outstanding
herbal clinic
of the year.
Outstanding.
Yes, Grace gives it's my year, 11 good years. Now so you now so I say intense. Yeah, Minister of Health and a present the award at my
Now, doctor, before so to answer Quran, only my dear Bako. And one year back, within the month, Omanhene, me patro first one, Ghana Federation of Traditional Medicine Practitioners Association. MIN, the Golden Award for Development of Traditional Medicine in this country. In this
Golden
country.
Award.
Yes.
Golden Award nature say.
Golden Award for the development of herbal medicine.
Yes,
in this
herbal industry no.
Wow.
So
Okay.
level na
Within this month, second one, we had West African Herbal and Alternative Medicine Awards and the Outstanding Herbal Center of the year. Yes. I don't know what I say. It was presented by Deputy Minister of Health. Within this month,
Asembe kra na mojijim fi ha no pe. Na there are two fin fi ho, Mr. Fafri.
But eno minim de ne.
Fafri ho, Mr.
Former omo animo.
Why? Okay. And we are 3.
yes. Within this month.
3 awards.
Director.
Ebia so na betel.
Ebia na betel. Na se ba ko yikra the African herbal alternative.
African herbal alternative. Doctor, lawyer, how the trauma me quickly na me ni omo enya bibia. Hey, why are there? I are there pa nurse ni a watimi abora herbal mu na for 11 years running. Untimi sasa na da bia we improve sa. Wo ho so ya na efe.
Na Omanhene.
Yes.
Me ka baby na
Yeah, mammy, and Cassandra call or Cocoji award on Dr. Nemu. Now, Omo did it try to a crank, or basic for a quarter cockron himself. I am more be a dion quiet mock. Oi, Omo Yanom Cachensa, Omo per se. Deputy Health Minister Nan Kasa Pemuno. And or present award man because a Jumana wa bono. And yes, Obia Kekenem Deputy Health Minister, Honorable Alaji Mahama say, or no one Kasa, and one pursue Jinem, a present award Nemano.
Pacha Minchawano. Me pesa me chia ahemfo nana wotumfo say to abebiu nana wonkwaso nana me bɔ me mu ase e de ma onya me nhyirawo e wo afutu ene bambo a wo de bɔ grace gift her back and get ye tudum na ma chia na asante hema nana kunadu yi adom to so mienu e ya na da bia me ka se enye easy sa asante hema betutu ne nan se obebie asoye bi nanso grace gift de nana kunadu yi adom to so mienu ono wankasa ene bebie grace gift ano me da medical doctors say ama say so mahu say cases bi wo hono ma e was here refer ediba grace gift herbal clinic and laboratory services na nurses madam say me da trotro drivers taxi drivers when him say obi tina omoka ma wo se misisi de eye me yo me de china che also mama onti grace gift Madam Maswati, Yamin Shramu, Meda Omamu Nepe Pia presenters, Medjuma ye fortress and why do biase because a Juma 11 good years. Min Tomo drew a bontin, Miss Row. Obidia drew brawa bontin said Dr. Grace Boardway drama patch show and your medru because men per se, Jaria minima sieno, media drew be mouse senum debi. Miss Rebbe and as I say, Macacham, my iPhone say, Oba Grace gift her, Udro Pidwa, you be so some part show. If I I would say, Grace gift her back and the king can. Abia was some part show on my hene. And a kama me say ye. Oba tonchia, now the as there by Grace gift her. Miss Row for my hands was it abra. Because I can know my na a beer ka Dr. Grace Board on semenka and I won't find Miss Row station beer. Ubeti say, Yabo Grace gift to model rule. Ube drew OPD wa me pachoka. Se taxi driver been soon a dear dance your ma wa Mistress will see a fan number. Me pachoka because asedano. Grace gift ya Adea abroso obi tim be chair Range Rover obi tim de Lincoln e be chair ene Accra sisi obi etim age asase e de chair Grace gift say ye fancy yankase hospital na ebro adrenant ase so na papa bi Mr. Henry we de Ghana ha ya Mr. Henry Omanhene ye share ne catheter na was say edrobe na onom ye. Now I respect Omanhene to the extent say Omanhene to make can Grace gift asem no Omanhene nim o se papa hu ya me fe na the way I say or trust o na wa follow watch baby abeko bia no odi wachi enti so Omanhene say Dr. Grace Board do to me prostate enlargement there or beba Grace gift or beto nchia nyame adom me maseda odi ama me say presenter bia wo be the Grace gift one dance no enfa Grace gift enkwa aseda mfama waseda odi aba na pese nko mo bonyom no na me du sika no ema na wo hu say enyom ne pa cho mo fa nto so my Grace gift wonyom no na o man na chede no me fa ma no ansa na ne kra yakasa ye nyankasa no mpa cho Monfa Grace gift numbers no entudwa.
Okay.
Miss representative bi obedia dance no. Oba aboni di ansa kra na ahwe. Wo de obegidi do anom keka. Eno boni pakro din me dase.
Okay.
Your numbers no Dr. Grace Board na nkasa de nam di kan no 0543 32 0030 0543 32 0030 and 0242 72 52 74 0242 72 52 74 and 0244 126 123 0244 126 123
123
ye chatwo 0246
0246
518
518
003
003
0246
0246
518
518
003
003.
Kumase hanom yasoe ewo Shim School Junction Barakese kwan so ena enkran pumpuni mantem so ye wo new Achimota Petroleum Bungalow ye ne Family Life International School ni di nhwe animu ye ye adwuma free ejuada kwesi ada anopa no nwotwe edi kwesi anwumre nonum sabre am na okasai ya hye adwuma se dendenden ti bomode na bra na Dr. Grace Bodu wosi esanse di onim to no ne edi ni gina tro no ano na ogine hu di se nyame na no so edi bibidro sa yare tu yare asinti no wogine hu di nti nchi ato no wonya wogina wokutamu dendenden nti sa wonye herbal doctor bia ni biemu a bra Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services so na abedru a na ne Dr. Grace Bodu atonchia emu oden
Grace Gift Yaba ye di herbal papa besamu yare hwe mesebra ene ye betunchia bra ene ye betunchia
de mo mai ene wa
Dr. Grace Bodu herbal mukin kon ye beji ayarisa Grace Gift Herbal Yabo 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 beji ayarisa you know papa yes I are bebre ne ayen to me sanso be na we humpa you know papa yes I are bebre ne ayen to me sanso be na we humpa e ta for dana malaria na stroke na pressure na fibroid na low sperm count na so pay if na uba bra Grace Gift Herbal e be sheni nyina
Yano, so one city cry, I was carrying one.
Jiwa yarisa Grace Gift Herbal for Jiwa yarisa Jiwa yarisa say you say you oh what say you say you oh what Jiwa yarisa so Grace Gift Herbal Yabo Jiwa yarisa 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 so wunjin dia you know back to nchia Grace Gift Herbal Yabo Jiwa yarisa
Wow. That is great. And to Miss Irene, I say,
Oso da basin.
What the I'm check it.
I said you have a number to Jenny kasa baby.
I would have found out to Jana. Your mind is name cry ye. I'm what Mamma Mokasa baby crying yet.
Kasa top
Gabi, I know I you or the car cholesterol. I never know
Oh my mama said be my way.
Oh, yes, you're so tired.
Mama said be my your numbers no me say dia 2 WM 0543
0543
32 00 30 Omanya skadi oso onye mi so morning time no friend 0543 32 00 30 and 0242 72 52 74 0242 72 52 74 and 0244 126 123 0244 126 123 ye chat wa ye 0246 518 003 0246 518 003
Pacho Omanhene kasa bebrebe me pese e kan quotation we.
Okay.
2 Kings chapter 18 to 31.
2 Kings
18 to 31.
2 Kings
18:31 kan mama.
Right. 2 Kings 18.
Dr. Gabi read the mama 31.
31. Okay. What say? Men kai chi no ana.
Ah, chi ni be bo.
Muntie Hezekiah. Na se Assyria hini sie nie. Mune mini asumdwesem. Mune mini asumdwesem. Na mumfri mra ne nchen. Na muni mu bobe. Ne mu brodoma no bi. Na munum mumura munsuo.
Very good. What's a brodoma high? Second Kings 20-7.
2 Kings 20 verse 7 and
verse 7. Very good.
2 Kings 20 verse 7. Okay. And also na Isaiah say momfa brodoma wabono eto emra na momfa ntare mpompo no so na onyankwa.
Very good. Me da say on say emra hinda da bia me ka say eya meja many adofo na me se me nkasa bebro by yen call way back 1980s 1960s 1970 yen tsena sesa eye de kwa na 83 ekom ebaye me pa cho 80s no na ye ni medical drugs bia o na ye hawo nyina ye bibia na ye herbal medicine but na ye ho toye na ye ho toye na enipa ni breye na edin si ebeti se obi krawu me pa cho na akokra bi wo fi a otiminum aduaba bi de ni minim obewu a na wafe na odi ama wo bi na eye de kra na ye na nanom no ehunu se ahaban wo ye de sayare on se na makai quotation o ba ne ye na nanom de brodoma han esayare na ye nananom so obi enemu bu a ne ye bu akokọ na mu me to pache wo edra de be kire akokọ ne nan no sa edro kọ no ye de kire nipa ne nan ye sane akokọ ne nan na sa ato a be sane nipa ne nan na ayeye me pache sa time no na diabetes e wo ho ana me pache 80 so no ne nim hypertension me pache ne nim stroke na ye nim prostate enlargement na ye nim sebe ma say me impotent me pache na ye nim bi me pa choni enim ni fra na eye day ene free 83 ho kona ye sha asiesa ye num adrufufro bi aka de nyame de amaye no how be na eba ye so
okay
me pa cho nyankopon bo emwa aponche no a oguso we na haban no aponche be na ewa ye se ye ni CS
Sompa 93.1
me besre ena mpese mbu nkotodwe because ewu na doso ewu na doso woni wo bi di nkomo ene ya wo be de so nya heart attack wo woni wo bi da sisie wo sorry koye so nya heart attack wo na Ken Hezekiah Abia Nyankopon ka kire ne se obewu na onye ne nsaman sie no quotation na ye ka no Nyankopon soma Isaiah se ka kire ne se wo obewu na onye ne nsaman sie okoko ni nkotodwa ni bompa Yesu gu Nyankopon so se Awurade ate Awurade Nyankopon e ka se da bi obema ne nane bia ye dey aka ho obuse Nyankopon se onti ase obema ne nane bia ka ho de ba ade ne ye de be ye me e na o second Isaiah nkokte brodman no mfa entai so Onyankopon ko hu brodman han na enso aba Awurade Nyankopon dumi adua no Edie be ntia because eduane wo purpose eduane wo yare a ewo sesa ensesa enso aba Nyankopon de saa nyema we nyina ma onipa na enso so yesi yempe onipa tiri mo dia to the sense say or your professor mua na wo hospital na wo se wa research now doctor I can tell you that diabetes dear doctor to be frank with you obedient mean treat management because my research baby na me busa ni pa cross me pa cho those times na ne ye na ntwinam ne ne ma bi na ye ba wi akokọ na mo kra ji se bronya bere ne ya sawo no ne ye pilolo ne ye so anto kire ne ye obampe no what diabetes da na ye beti diabetes a na ye obi a wo tukwa akọ Lagos bi ye say esikafo yare because na hia ni nya sa yare no ye musa ye ho sa aden na ye nsi hospital sakese wo nkrase because yare ne ba enuane di ka age Baby a ɛhɔ bie no yare dɔso. Baby a enua hɔ no yare ɛnɔso. Ɛna wo sɛ nipa hu sɛ wo sɛ ye hwɛ ye nua ye. Mesrɛ sɛ yɛn kai bibi ene akokɔ na yɛ wi no manya stroke o. Mesrɛ kwakra bi ase na kwachi akokɔ. Na fa portrait akokɔ si wo na dwagu wo so. Portrait akokɔ no ontimi ɔkɔ hen wanya stroke. Enti abo na mu no da cage nim no wanya stroke na woni pa awo wi na na obenya.
Okay.
Miss Rebebre, some yen Kenya ye ho. Grace gift every apro atwa me nipa bebre. Herbal practitioners nyina wo de wo nana na kire wadro bi. Ena wo de ye adwuma. Ennuane na ye di na dɔso. It Dr. Grace word me bi me pro say wo nana de na o kire wo no oba. Make sure phytochemicals a ewom enne ne wo de ka ho a ebeboa ama herbal industry no etumpo ama amanfo hu say Nyankopon oguso eye ne nsenjure.
Wow.
Madam Wase.
Dr. Grace Wadu. Mr. Smeda, Sena, congratulations.
Thank you.
West Africa. Now Yamao developing herbal medicine. Enya asem ketwa.
Who say Abra City University of Cambodia my basman doctorate degree no. Na ya man for because abrofo said that ba ha be investigation. Yen hwe say sa doctorate degree no herbal doctor bi kwita bi obi ani bi. Apart from Dr. Grace Board, that's the reason why I friend with Dr. Grace Board because City University of Cambodia ever buy me doctorate degree.
Oh my God.
Yeah, because I do my.
Because we are not some.
But Obama no to the Shadia me here to me so. And yeah, fashion it through.
So on son of you two man, no grab it to my kase kakra.
Hey, no, my name is no one about Shabumu.
Mumfa number to
your numbers and sorry 0543 when never know Shabum. 32 00 30 0543 32 00 30 and 0242 72 52 74 0242 72 52 74 brain tea
come home. Oboyajiman na tena sema me na also tena hama me kama na na mo ko state of the nation won sema mo kanya no for adwuma di hanu waba mo sanka bi no tim mo sanka de na mo ka de bi no tim na ma me di kan hwe omapani dada wa we da probo no
Debbie
and then the last day right?
The first phase and then the baby.
And then I'm baby. So we're back for another 3 days.
Yeah, we're back for
but so far, what do you say?
Very exciting.
Very exciting.
Very exciting.
Maybe all could be on a response.
Enthusiasm.
But I know the answer. Oh my, Minister of Education warning you.
No, I'm not warning.
Or say don't dare not close the schools.
Sir. Or say I know the embassy.
Okay.
So because the school be MP for me
to close soon only I
know the catch education minister say
some financial in embassy.
And tools.
Don't fanko boa. Okay. That knee-jerk reaction will not help.
Yeah.
Okay. And so
but
far
I want to address quickly. My advert obey advert and ideally I shouldn't have come in. But why David Nenukaza Maniko no Yankuja for and say Jafo. Supporting Coco.
Sompa
have investment in poultry. Because a poultry and cocoa when you stroke. There be and sell business fans. Poultry and cocoa be anywhere because every tongue of food him a poultry and cocoa in your stroke. Now you answer a poultry no Yakoboka.
Okay.
Poultry cocoa in your stroke.
Thank you, very good. Okay.
And then quickly, Minua Ufrata. Tom. Only Minua. Also has be okay, okay, say no crack. And also near fact Anglo good anko amu bianco famba
Anglo good
anko amu bianco famba, and I say it on authority as the person chief executive who supervised the redevelopment of Anglo good Obuasi mine. So that may redevelopment of Obuasi mine no na idua prim na ye juma full and it's the same company. Technology and you use
you two for launch here no back near day.
Redevelop. Go and look at this. There's writings on Troy. The launching of the redeveloped Obuasi mine.
Ntinen yes I go.
And who?
Nana Nipaye Juma Hostel.
Nipaye Juma. And I work with
numbers no na
yes, numbers no so here. During my time as chief executive, I worked with Venkat, who is the group CEO then for Anglo Global, up to Obobi, who is the last person at the sustainability department. I work with all of them. And every month I was being given report, and I must be a shoulder. In the idea,
the president, it could be
mine, and it was John Mahama who gave the permit for that job to take place.
But the 2-4 statement of the day.
I need to me the address of 2-4 farming call. I'm stating facts.
Okay.
The fact is that somebody somebody. I'm stating facts on authority.
Because based on sometimes
when we are and managing director and speech, you know. Baby, I can't argue. How do I address Otumfo?
Okay.
How do I address it? Make a say. But managing director can say on the day or can say.
Was it really developed?
What is the managing director? This speech. Look at it. And he's the one in the human Odano. Eti uja nipa na oda no na asem o kan na kofa se bia wo ye nipa bonisem
wan e nipa bonisem
mo pese mo kofa asem fufuru fi bia bi adada
me fa asem fufuru bia enti sam tia me nipa bonisem
kan me kan asem some me can do no otum for say ye kwakwa no la so that I'll go and respond to otum for me respond but I'm telling you that as the municipal
he's just correcting
as the municipal chief executive
I'm telling you what I know
and already at time no crack
as the municipal chief executive at the time Anglo would present an adjusted program for mining operations,
okay,
which is APMO. Every DC almost size of the concession. And we approved it. That's a fact.
Okay.
The second bit is MP news because almost he said a lie. Said Credit Suisse gone. It's not gone. That's a fact. Credit Suisse had a problem with solvency. They never blamed it on anybody outside of Switzerland. And the Central Bank of Switzerland, the government of Switzerland taking over the bank. Taking over the bank.
Okay.
It's not gone off.
Okay.
The third one is the arrogant, I call it unintelligent arrogance that they exhibit here. With
respect to Adea Akye Abia, state of the nation, true state.
Obia bank, he can't speak on the economy. What sort of arrogance is this? Two, Adea Akye Abia had never said anywhere, say, yeah, court, no. Almost say, Mukasa, Muya Santifo. Chese, Munimianza. Mukasa, Mumanyanza, and daddy.
Are they? Don't you think you're also going to?
No, when you insult us like that.
I say the person going to.
When you insult, I am Mudi attempts. I hope I catch any way and Quasiafan say, you did atamana. Say, I grow a new where I say, is it not an insult to go up like people who have been to school? Your national chairman Baba here address to the nation. What's it ye diagro? You are insulting us.
You were saying something. Maybe I know which that was.
Adea Akye has never said anywhere say ye court any dance. Or say, man fa dance and ambreno. When you are going to court, now you have grounds. The material evidence must be provided. So we had enough grounds to go to court. But here Kolobia Kwakwa Jessica. The pink sheet are together amber. So when he says that he just any grounds here to court. How do you do rubbish like that? Give us respect. Huh? Munchaying. Mutiwe enyeteka elego. And what be an in a quay? Munim woman saying.
So what?
Mukwa Leicester and the size Leicester University Mukwa and the size they do Christian service.
It's a true state now. More present.
It is going to be based on facts. Some of which will come from the Bank of Ghana data. Now, most sorry, I must say, gold for oil is giving us results. The last week, we take Bank of Ghana for analysis on the gold of oil and its impact. They told us that every month, the BDCs they give them $40 million every month. $400 million. Note the figure ahead is 40.
No, they provide 400.
No. What I heard from, I don't want to. What I heard from the governor
the
is that
BDCs need 400, but they are able to provide 40 million.
Okay, that is what me. I want to. I want to rely on what the Ghana governor.
Not me. Kasa will be on the basis of how much they will need. The governor says they are able to provide $40 million.
And since almost started gold for oil, no, in the last month, almost provide you almost 30 million instead of 40 million. So
which means a backlog of 370 million.
Yeah, to the governor, we made a savings of $10 million from how much they give to BDC as a result of the good for oil. And then you do mathematics of it. That is 25% of the sum that the Bank of Ghana gives to the BDCs. How can 25% be significant?
Sompa 93.1.
Adea Akye. And then what happens to the 75% that's outstanding? Again, go to Google right now. Brent crude is selling between $70 to $72 as at now.
That's it.
It is the reductions that we are having on the pump has nothing to do with government intervention.
You sure?
Na Canada Japan bahano. O kan fi nyanza bi. O se mikuta gold. Gold no ya Ghana has been selling gold all year. It contributes about 5% of the country's GDP.
Why look?
And or say I didn't also call middleman. I don't come no attend the cat. I said, I got you good. No, I and he said it here, and it was a very intelligent statement. I'm telling you that your cast here analysis at time in here. We have the data from the BDCs. Since almost started oil, good for oil, you now 120,000 metric tons of fuel. And if you show the metric, we use about 300,000 metric tons of fuel every month. And it means that since the starting program, the urban quiet does not even qualify to satisfy us. It has not made any impact. So if you catch it for to say, Jinapo, who have data and information from the energy, to say Amabua, who have data from knowledge on those ones. Like out of forcing, they have, if they prepare the document and present it to a national chairman and he delivers it, what's he saying? And who told you that? Even president, when they come to speech and give lectures, Omanhene prepare notes. Who told you that? Maybe I'm the chief of speech.
Sompa 93.1.
I catch you for being natural. I'm the bar. No one to I input. Me say mammy. We say move away. So sometimes the things as leaders we deliver. He says that is why we have technical people guiding us.
He says the chairman's credibility with respect to the Okeke was court, no. Then
one went to court. We went to challenge the results. Electoral Commission. And there are about 3 different results. That is what we went to challenge. We didn't go to challenge our results. We went to challenge the results. So what has that got to do with somebody's credibility? Except, of course, you want to be mischievous. You're playing mischief. And I'm saying that when you want to do mischief, those of us who are following our leaders, give us respect. That you don't describe us as that. That's a huge insult.
All right. A quick one on now. The statement came from minority with respect to Mantwe, Bosomi we inquiry, we cannot get IMF bailout. What happens?
Who pray that at the Osa Mani?
Sompa 93.1.
One, may feel say me, Makano, the other time I said that I felt it was wrong. Say any China, echo negotiations. Now you say now Russia and China have both some strong bond, greater alignment. Nieko UN General Secretary, when 15 African countries have abstained from the vote, and Nieko voted against Russia. Nieko catch Germany, who is resourcing Ukraine against Russia. Say onunko China and quite intermediary. I felt that it was wrong.
Okay.
What I say, and to say bet me, in the next exchange program, I satisfaction. It will be difficult for us to get that IMF deal because I think it was the British American ambassador also. One of them spoke about it Yeah. No, the German ambassador himself, he spoke about it himself here. So what we are saying is that, and there might be also especially the China element is important. If we don't satisfy it, we will not get it. That's a fact. We will not get it.
There was a faux pas on our part to go to UN.
Oh no,
to go and vote.
For me, it was a diplomatic blunder.
Sompa 3.1.
Say if we had abstained like the other African countries who have, including South Africa, what would have happened? You have seen the busy because ukwana say akasefo mienu kuntokwa
nkojina
bakwachi obia ha obehia no what I say obia ha obehia no kojina bakwachi a wan hwe abda obehia de wan kojina echi ne mo ano na akwakoye bibia wo and unim from day one the Russian ambassador in Ghana has been some way throwing some jabs at us.
Yeah.
What I say, and once people build,
the point was me and farmer share.
Very good. When people build these kinds of alliances, as at now, and yet China, the Russian economy is collapsed. The Chinese government is the best, is the only entity, and to some extent Iran, and almost equita Russian economy no more as at now. And China for now, countries to say nobody can give them a limit to their relationship with Russia. As we speak, I think today or tomorrow, President Xi Jinping is going to Russia.
I call tighten bond.
No. And you go to the UN and you go and vote against Russia. What happened to our national policy of non-alignment? Out of non-alignment, the International Conference Center. So what happened to that national policy? Yakute and Koma time. So all that we'll pray for us. I think that this
how dicey is it?
No. If government is able to put things in order and get the China thing going, I don't think it's dicey. Because right now, I think the other Western countries are willing to support us.
But China,
the difficulty we have is with China. How can we get people who have proper link with China? And not China ends accepting your package now. They echo to Omanhene so that we can have some speed. Now yes, IMF no bailout no. It will help our economic really. Maybe we need help. And I've told the other time Tobu to know. TVG came to interview me. I told them that it would be silly on my part to do politics with this when government is looking for revenue. And me I mean be agent no or say a boa aban no na ne sika sem no agent because say ye ma economy collapse kwa na ba. It will be difficult for us to get out of the pit. When we have to help the government with ideas, support to get to some level, it be a suma any day mine will do it. And if they don't be so man, oh yeah, be so man and okay, say yeah, my excellency Baba Bantama by 10 o'clock will be a Bantama. By 11:30 will be in Swamihana. Ya call if you are
Central Market now.
No assistance now. We may not have ideally if we have the permit we'll go there. But since that now KGT market is closed. Security for no I say man they na no. I sympathize with them, but I think they must help the city authorities to manage the situation. But city authorities so almost speed and
all right, Mami Tio. Mo fan chemi send them more time no ma
that's na Edinkan Mamincha me adeshe or Kwabri East ne Penifobia over the weekend we had
MP in the coming, in the making, in the going.
I don't know that's all no. Na mencha me coordinators Ketri Asumedu Asinria. Amenu Kwatin Ra Oboamepa on also Father and Oscar Mampontin James Mafo Abua.
As a MP Befata we say.
Over the weekend, the finest Abacha or organization where my manager home.
Okay.
I didn't come kama. And I hope say said a brain is a necon. Yame Aduma. Okabre for will do me that Anna. na ba ne san so a
Sompa 93.1
sepe papa be ye adwuma
Okay.
Yeah, bankomo a yedi so you see Europe for adema edrum no bia omunze wa na why emotional na wakana adwen no to the measures. You see, no matter how well you want to restate and readdress the statement of Eurasi Dinketia, yes, ma se kokoto nchene bra okona nchene ama sika ama asem bia nu abeka ne that is nchene. And this answer now, you cannot restate what Eurasi Dinketia can at the time.
Sompa 93.1
Nipa wako court wako kan wasem nyina wi. Na omo kan omo say omo course omo ko challenge easy resource. Now, how would you challenge easy resource? Abra we win resource. What did they equal challenge? What would you challenge with the easy resource? Yaswa nema de aswa anka botoma ana yaso. Unim ne dodo. Ukudru ye wo se obi awia bi. Owi asen house unim. Sen na aka wo mu awunim. Nti wodo ye wasema wo ken ho na abeso onyin. Uwie ye na wo ba abonten no. Wo kan wo nsem nyina wie. Me kai Peace FM. Ena Eurasi Dinketia akoko. I'm so kudi no come other station. Udru hon no mbuzan general I say u tape bi leak no say leak tape say. Asam na wo tape no. Enya no ana me kan no Supreme Court won. Ombuza me say ma dance here me ka tro mo say man kan tro mo say mini dance here bia. Munim say mini ntro. That's what he said. So oni mu ntro twa enti wono wo ka tro mo say oni dance here bia na okoko. Somebody who has gone to court telling his people say when the election will be a wiam. We are say our baby jina bonten or say na mini dance na mko court. Na emum enipa wa ma manya dance anko ye chama no ho. Sa abre won keka ne mamu ni famra no mo antimi anko late results because enipa wa appointed no sa enipa no antimi anya adwuma na eso wo ye. Nti Supreme Court kra me koye no mini dance. Na ye de koma even lawyer Chechuchi Kata no ka kire say we na mo de court there and emu nya mo nkopɛ mo lawyer foforo. How can you come and turn this statement in anybody's favor? It is any power no while probating or sorry probating no. I cannot trust him with any true state of the nation address. It's not the fact that Adea Akye cannot comment on a true state of the nation. Fine. In any case, like we said, anyone no ever try no account. But if you are presenting true state of the nation address, you should be somebody who is worthy of my belief. Our credibility say, asem wa beka bia no, yenim say wo wo B. Na wo bia timi kokota wo kokko ye wa nyina awie ya antes ni nyina awie na be abonten beka kire say, wo pecha ma adinti, nsem aka ni nyina na nya no kore. Na oni adanse bia. And na wo pese me nyu. It cannot be possible. Enti ano there. No matter how emotional probably you will be with it, no. And then you will be also come with a statement of fact. And you will be a boom when him and I will did him. This is statement of fact. Says Papa no. When you can't control. I or no one can say that this as more can control. Until the other can say no. I believe them throne over can it's the other side come for. And for that matter, I won't believe him. That's what we are saying. Until I think say the other
gold for oil.
Good for oil. That is on one in the submission. What he said was that 25% and now it me provided. So the impact is insignificant. They mean free in the submission.
Yeah, but that's the fact he's saying.
And it tells you that the policy he acknowledges the policy in Ankasa, hey papa. Good for oil, no.
No, but if he says hey papa, one kind significant.
Now the fact that unya enough does not mean the policy is not good. There are challenges with free SHS, which we are currently. But who can tell me say free SHS any good policy? The policy be out there, baby. There will be challenges.
But he is saying, say, stop driving home. Say that policy has contributed to the reduction in the oil and the pumps.
It has.
But it is not.
It has, but you dispute the fact that it is significant. Or no fees and significance in free the reduction of the global
world market.
And any way no. But in as much as a way no, am I some level of relief no? Insignificant because 25%. Yes. So it is up to us to work hard to get more than 25%.
To make it significant.
So policy now here can ankasa no. The policy is what we're talking about. And in governance, it's all about policy and ideas. Say yes, sir. Bibia Obia betimi aye bi na ya aban na we there. Then you are ordinary. Ain't the significance of the my statement is policy no in itself.
It's not bad.
And it's not bad. But say bibi wo ho na enu nti ema ye ntimi nya the impact that it deserves. Ni nyina ne say inadequate 25% in so insufficient. Then we work hard to get more than 50%, more than 75%. Then we target 100%. Then you see the whole impact of good for oil. No, na yensaka. And the idea, we should all embrace that and support, because the fact that will be just our theory, no, and to no, and say theory in itself is bad. But you sit down and you see say, selling your gold and making your money and going to buy the oil. No, obi no theory no. Well, if say no, nanke better. But obi no feel say yes with the dollar in the midst of the calculation, no. A ma time bia mimi here oil no. As I mean, oil gold dollar
into dollars.
Me akwa kotobi. I don't know if he say nti mamini dollar from the equation. Na menfa seed in koto gold no. Menfa gold no kwaje oil. Me meton fuel in seed. Na me wi a menyi misika menfa nto gold. Then it will be in circle. I will be dollar
no factor
equation. That is also fantastic.
Yeah, quickly. Minka say good for oil now contributing 25%. Me say, Utie Bank of Ghana governor no analysis for the month of February. Or see also more 40 million and more 30 million. And it was every 10 million. I'm saying that is 25% over the month.
Okay.
But gold for oil, where the consumer product are 8.1%.
Okay.
You use 350,000 metric tons of fuel a month. Between November and March here, we have used as a country cumulatively 1.4 million metric tons of fuel. Gold for oil has given us 114 metric tons of oil.
Which constitutes 22%.
No, 8.1%.
No, according to chairman of oil marketing companies,
me say,
said gold for oil contributed only 22% of quality of oil the country needs.
Me say the facts that we are giving out, go and check. Fact check them.
Because this is the fact check I make my producer present to me now.
Me say, since you started gold for oil, the quantum of oil Abagana 114 metric tons since November to date. 114,000 metric tons. From November to this period, you are using 1.4 million metric tons.
Of the oil marketing company.
How does 1.14 thousand becomes 25% out of 1.4?
No, but this is what he presented.
No, but me say the data, how much you consume in the country is available. How much you consume?
Now go to the MD of the Anglo on the other end,
no.
But the MD of the
chairman of oil marketing
companies,
and I'll say the gold for oil has contributed only 22%.
No, if accurate fact,
no, the person with proper data is Mustafa Hamid. Go there and find out.
And Mustafa no say 8%.
There be the quantum of oil in your hand. Say answer any math.
Okay.
Me say every month, every month, Ghana you're consuming every month you're consuming 350,000 metric tons of fuel.
Yes.
Yes. Between November, Ebeka Sabi, you're using 1.4 million. As at now,
the Abba
gold for oil. 114,000. Who the 114,000 equal to 1.5? We are calculation. It is 8.1%.
Okay.
When you say percentage in the calculation,
facts are facts.
Facts are results.
All right. Facts are facts. Abu Dhabi. Eba be transe. Na all the agudi won sema